Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 90 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account from this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find accounts and sync. As you can see above it, we've got whole Google section, and you can add or remove a Google account using it obviously, but I personally prefer to do it using accounts and sync. So let me tap on it and let's tap on add account. Choose obviously Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or we can simply enter our email or phone. So let me do it. Okay, I've got it saved, so just tap on next. Right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. We can tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it. Just tap on it and you will receive all the info you need. Just tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just got back to the accounts and sync, and here we've got our previously added Google account. Obviously you can remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on it and tap on more. Here we've got remove account option, so just tap on it, confirm it, tap on OK. And if you will have the pattern or PIN or password or the fingerprint added, you will have to confirm that it is you. So just do it, and as you can see, it immediately disappears. So actually this is it. This is how to add or remove a Google account from your Xiaomi Redmi Note 90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.